Good morning, students. History lesson 1 revision short answers. First question, discuss how the age of speculation made humans become conscious and knowledgeable. First point, humans are the only species on earth concerned with understanding as well as explaining the world and the universe. In the course of evolution, humans became conscious and knowledgeable. They turned curious and began to think and ask questions about nature, organisms, and the world around them. Then they worshipped sun, moon, and various natural forces about which they developed their own understanding, some of which is not scientific. Your second question, write a note on the impact of pastoralism on the prehistoric people in Tamil Nadu. People practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep, and some of the groups were still hunting and gathering. Millets and rice were cultivated. Irrigation management developed. In the deltaic region, evidence of rice is seen in the megalithic sites like Adichanallur in Thoothukudi district and Porundal near Palani. Third question, list out the features of megalithic burial types. Here there are 4 points. The Iron Age is also known as megalithic since people created burials with the large stones for the dead people. Second point, within these burials, the skeletons or few bones of the dead persons were placed along with grave goods, including iron objects, carnelian beads, and bronze objects. Third point, some of the burials do not have human bones and they have only the grave goods. Fourth point, they may be called memorial burials. Fourth question, examine the tool making technical skills of lower Paleolithic people. The human ancestors have flaked large stone blocks and designed various tools including hand axes. They made various tools such as hand axes and clevers to meet their subsistence needs. The hand axe tools are also known as Acheulean bifaces or tools that having flaking on both sides. This tool making tradition continued till 250,000 years to 60,000 years ago in India. The next 6th Roman letter is the answer all the questions given under each caption. First caption is hominid and hominins. The questions are, first question, who are hominids? B, who was the earliest human ancestor to make tools in Africa? C question, how are the modern humans known? D question, name any one species of this tribe. Now we'll see the answers. First answer, hominid refers to all the species of the modern and extinct great apes, which also includes humans. And second answer, that is a B answer, Homo habilis was the earliest human ancestor to make tools in Africa. C answer, modern humans are known as Homo sapiens. And D answer, humans are the only living species of this tribe. In second caption, earliest lithic assemblages of human ancestors. A question, where are Acheulean tools are reported to have been found in Karnataka and in Madhya Pradesh. Answer is, Acheulean tools are reported to have been found in Isambur in Karnataka and Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. Bhimbetka, Bhimbetka, Bhimbetka. And second question, what is burin? Burin is a stone-made chisel with a sharp cutting edge. And C question, what are biface tools? Bifaces are tools that have flaking on both sides. Bi means to face side. And fourth D question, name a few stone tools used by the human ancestors. Core and flake were used. Core is a main block of stone from which small chips are flaked by using a hammer stone. And flake is a small chip removed from a large stone block called the core. The next Roman letter, seventh Roman letter, that is answer the following in detail. First question, the developments in the fields of agriculture, pottery and metal tools are considered a landmark in the life of megalithic period. Substantiate. Your answer is in agriculture. People practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep. Millets and rice were cultivated. Irrigation management developed since many of the megalithic sites are found near by rivers and tanks. Then fourth point, in the deltaic region, irrigation as a technology had developed. Then fifth point, evidence of rice is seen in the megalithic sites like Adichanallur in Thoothukudi district and Porundal near Palani. Second side heading, pottery. Pottery is an important evidence found in the archaeological sites. Second point, the Iron Age and Sangam Age people used the black and red colors to make blackware and redware pottery. Then potteries were used for cooking, storage and dining purposes. Then C-side heading, metal tools. Weapons such as swords and daggers, axes, chisels, lamps and tripod stands are also used. Then the iron tools were used in agriculture, hunting and gathering and in battles. Second question, the history of humans is closely related to the history of the earth. Elucidate. Answer is, the history of the humans is closely related to the history of the earth. The earth contains geological, archaeological and biological records of historical times, its upper layers. They are the important for reconstructing the history of the earth and various living organisms. Then the fossil bones of the human ancestors are embedded in the earth's layer. Then these layers and the fossils are scientifically dated to study the various stages in human evolution and prehistory. Through the gathered evidence, they attempt to understand the evolution of human history and developments in a chronological order. That is a historical order. The next map activity, mark the prehistoric sites on the world map. Continent wise, we'll see South America, Eastern Island, North America, Mexico, then Africa, Egypt and South Africa, Europe, England, France, Turkey, and Asia in India, Tamil Nadu, Pakistan, then China, then Japan. This is a revision for your slip test students.